Welcome to my channel. Kindly follow, like, subscribe and share.
Alright guys, you are welcome back to my channel. For today we'll be looking at the Camscanner app. Yes, so as you saw on the YouTube thumbnail, this is the Camscanner downloaded from Play Store or App Store. Yes, so this is an iPhone, so I got it on App Store. So as you can see, this is the Camscanner app. So let's click on it like this. Then you wait for it to open. So it's open like this and you click continue to app. So let's look at the features. We have Smart Scan, PDF tools, import images, import files, ID cards, extract text, ID photo master, and others. So you click on this side. You click on the Me section. Then you see the options. You can sign in with your Google, Apple ID, and other stuff. Yes, so it's purposely for education. Yes, so you set your profile. So let's look at how it works. So this is the home page. In case you want to change your ID card into a soft copy form, you just click on the ID card like this. Then you follow the prompt. You click on make it now here. You follow the prompt and you do it. You can do it your driver's license, your passport, your bank card, and your certificates. Yes. So that's the feature of the cam scanner. It's purposely for educational purposes. And also you can extract text. You can change anything that you want with the cam scanner app. And also let's look at the tools. Yes, so you click on tools like this and you can see the features that they have given. Yes, so you can work on it like this. 3D 3D scanning is also inside. Yes, so that's how the cam scanner is. It's a very nice app which you can also change your document to Word to Excel to PPT and PDF to images. Yes, and PDF to long image too. So that's for the cam scanner. So let's try it out and see. So you go to the home page like this and you click on this side. If you want to scan an ID card, you just click on the ID card like this. Then you follow the prompt. If you want to extract it, you do it like this. And you can also do it in single or in batches. Yes, so that's how it is. And you can also allow Cam Scanner to access your library so that you upload your details successfully. So that's how the Cam Scanner works. It works perfectly. Yes. Thank you for your time and everything. Kindly click on the subscribe button and I'm signing out.